In this video, you will get the reasons about iPhone getting hot and learn how to fix this issue. Just take a look and use your phone in a secure way. Part 2. How to fix iPhone getting hot. 1. Avoid the heat. It is advised to keep your iPhone away from the place with too much heat, such as a car dashboard. 2. Stop charging. You could stop charging to let the device cool down or use the original battery and charger to complete the charging process. 3. Remove the case. You could choose to remove the case to give the phone room to breathe. Once your device cools down, you could use it again. 4. Power off your phone. You are recommended to use the easiest way to settle the conflicts and cool your device. That is shutting down your phone. 5. Disable personal hotspot. Personal hotspot allows users to share the internet connection from iPhone cellular data with other devices. It is a helpful feature, but it costs too much energy, which would result in the overheating. Hence, it is wise to turn it off while iPhone getting hot. 6. Toggle airplane mode. When airplane mode is activated, it disables all voice, text, telephone, and other signal transmitting technologies like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, which would cause the iPhone overheating issue. So it is a good choice to turn the mode on. 7. Reset all settings. Reset all settings can solve some iPhone issues. iPhone overheating is included. Therefore, you can make an attempt. Besides, this process won't delete the data on your phone while resetting all the settings, so it is quite safe. 8. Update iOS version. The updates of iOS version are designed to fix some bugs of your phone. So updating iOS version is essential to solve overheating problem.